We are about to go to an abandoned, not abandoned, I didn't mean to say abandoned, but we are about to go somewhere. Somewhere?
It's not too far.
In a place, yeah, not too far. Wait a minute. When do I need to...
It's gonna be in the neighborhood, kinda.
Should I stop it and wait till we get there?
No, we can go. We can keep on going.
Yo, you need me to carry your phone? In one hand? I'd carry it in one hand and run in the other. Alright, we back at it. Bam. Bam, we gotta hit the road. Cars coming. Can't be caught. We gotta... Alright, fam. Not a venture. Let's go. Knee hurts, but I'm still running.
Let's do it. Alright. Oh, it's just down here.
It's just down here. Okay.
We're going straight back.
Alright. On you.
Did you hear that shit?
Yeah. Alright. We have made it, I'm pretty sure. It's not really a forest till we get back there. But we've made it more to the front entrance. Front or the back entrance or some entrance. And fuck.
That's where I'm at.
What?
Is there anything there?
Looks like rocks.
Alright. I thought I saw like a black figure. I was like, no way.
Black figure run. I might have to start recording. That was the dog. Alright, but we out here having fun. This is where you would ride four-wheelers if you had some. Dirt bikes. You ride them back here. No, you can't really see, so you know. Yeah, that's where we're at. Yeah. So we're gonna start.
This is a forest. We can go in there, but I don't really want to go inside the forest. I kind of want to go a little bit near it, but like not too close.
Yeah. Shit, you know.
I forgot to turn this on. All right.
We might start becoming, you know, vloggers.
Apart.
Apart? Right?
No. Don't do what he says.
Apart. Alright, we're gonna stay together. But no.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Like hi.
Oh, hi. Wait, up in the trees maybe?
What? No, bitch. I see that shit. I see that shit. I see that shit. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. No, I see that shit. I see that shit.
Alright. Gosh, how far back does this go?
Not too far back.
Alright.
There's these pipes right there. You see them?
Thank God.
I can see them a little bit. But there's these pipes right there. And they go over the river that you've seen before.
Yeah.
And they go to the highway that we go through
Alright.
to get to the abandoned factory.
I'm recording around 7 minutes. Y'all hear that? Look, I'm gonna have to start uploading on my channel.
Yeah, you will.
Like, I have a channel called Max Sniper that I used to upload pretty constantly. I was trying to get like 3 edits done today so I can upload them the next day. But then I lost my password. I fucked up, so I stopped posting on it. And I've always had the channel that I have right now. That was the first email I had. Wow, that's scary shit.
This is the pipes right there. I don't think we can get there. I think there's like barbed wire. Well, Probe Z can climb that, and I think we could probably like climb over it.
Yeah, we can
If we
climb
like,
over this.
if we like go over like that. But we're not doing that today. But like that's like.
Wait, what's back
Heard
there?
that.
What's back there in the pipes?
I don't know. But I heard something over there.
You see the pipe, guys?
I heard something over there.
Alright.
Yeah, but we have to like go like up the middle.
Oh, that's not look bad. I think the worst part, I don't think the barbed wire is that bad. You know how many times I've ripped so many blue jeans going over barbed wire? It's like that there, guys. I'm about to, go on this
Why
side.
the fuck are you going this way, dude?
You can see, that's where we're talking about. I'm trying to get them a better view. It's in there. You can't really see because all the fence posts. What?
This is all in my neighborhood, though.
Oh, dude, this does not look like it'd be in our neighborhood.
Yeah.
It's like Cliffhanger. So that goes over the river?
Yes, it goes over the like little river thing. Agree.
I agree. Wait a minute. Is that road over there?
I just saw two things of red just pop up right over there. As soon as I looked down and looked at them, they just went away.
Wait, is the road over there?
The road's over there.
You think we
Over
can
the
go
pipes.
around and get to that side?
Not going through that.
Not going through it, like go around and see if we can look to that side. Or is that side gate off too?
Yeah.
Fed. Fed. And what was the last one?
Agree.
Agreed. Fed and agreed. Guys, if you got like any comments on that, say them. 'Cause I have no comments on that. And that's the road. All the way down there. It's a long ass road to go back down.
See, I would never do this stuff by myself, but when I'm with somebody, I feel a little bit more comfortable.
Just tell you, we out here grinding for this YouTube shit. I'm gonna have to start getting on it too. But it's 3 a.m., 4 a.m. and we out here grinding.
Oh yeah, 3 a.m. challenge.
Fuck yeah.
Siri.
Can't, no, it'll screw it up.
Yeah. Oh well.
Alright.
There is some stuff though. Like if you stay out in 3 a.m., some stuff crazy can happen. Like I see.
Wait, what are these?
Get the fuck away. Not you.
What are these?
Frog.
Do you see them?
It said frog.
Frog?
Yes.
Is there a frog? Alright, but anyway, what are these, Josh? Just show me.
I can't really remember what they're called.
There's one over there. There's one over there. There's one over here. I don't know, guys. This is scary as fuck. But
But it's for like helping buildings, I think. I can't really remember what it's
Well,
called
alright.
or what it's called.
Look, it's almost at 10 minutes. So you want to sign off or?
Now we'll go home and we'll kind of look around the house and make sure that we've got like enough done around. You heard that laughing?
Oh fuck! All right, guys. Well, we're about to dip it. Ready, set, go.
Three of it.
Guys.
Did you hear that laughing?
Oh yes.
Did you hear that laugh?
Damn. Hopefully it caught it on camera.
Oh,
Oh my.
did you hear that laugh?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright, we're back in the neighborhood.
Oh hell no.
That was some scary shit, guys.
Told you some scary shit happens at 3 a.m.
We're naming this video 3 a.m. challenge outside.
Fucking hell. Oh, dude. No.
Alright.
Hell no. I do not feel comfortable right here. Alright?
What?
I feel uncomfortable with shit. Alright? I'm going back fucking home.
Alright, well, some crazy shit just happened. That's all I'm about to say.
Dude, you heard that laugh though. It sounded like a fucking clown though. Remember those clown attacks?
So I don't know how much more my phone can record before it cuts off because of. Oh,
How much battery do you have?
no, it's not a battery, it's of gigabytes. I only have limited video.
I thought you had like a lot of data.
Data than gigabytes, something else.
Oh yeah.
Data lets me use like apps that you have to use online while I'm offline. That's all data does.
Yeah.
But it should be good. I don't know. But there's. Oh fuck! I can't show the street.
Why? Oh yeah.
I don't want y'all to know where he left. If he becomes really, really fucking famous, hopefully he happens. Doesn't want y'all to know fucking where he left. You can know we live in North Carolina, but you can't know fucking where. Come find us, bitch.
Alright. Oh shit. But you
What do you
heard
feel
that, right?
about- Yeah.
No, dude. That scared me so bad. But we have to do that again sometime though. That was
But we out here grinding.
yeah.
What is
Use-
this, third video?
Yes, third video. Maybe fourth. I don't know.
We out here grinding,
Third that we've like
getting it.
we might not upload the other videos, but the ghost kind of stuff, we're gonna upload that for sure.
I mean, but I'm definitely
I
starting.
already have one uploaded.
I'm definitely gonna start uploading stuff. I'm probably gonna upload like games and shit, whatever. Cause since my channel's called Max Everything, always plug. Since it's called Max Everything.
Yeah, Vainglory, you should play that. I mean, you get the max like abilities and stuff.
Alright, yeah. Since it's called Max Everything, I do everything, and we always do it to the max. Never less.
If you're doing it less, then you're doing it wrong.
Yeah, we do it to the max. I would say link in the description, but it's not gonna be in the description. Just go look it the fuck up.
It's in the cruise little.
Yeah, it's in the cruise. It's Max Everything. You'll find it.
Yeah, there's also Shy Dexter. He's a really good friend of mine.
We just got a lot of people in there that we cool with.
Yes.
They're out here trying to grind like us. But they can't grind like us because none of them out here at 4 a.m. grinding, making YouTube videos.
Because we aren't scared of going out here.
We grind forever and we never stop. You know it'd be scary as fuck if there was somebody in that fucking window.
Alright. Scary as shit. Because they can open that door. And then we have to run down their asses all the way.
But if someone did pop in that window, I'm not running in your fucking house. I'm running that way. I'm dipping that way.
Yes.
Alright.
Fuck you, generating thing.
Alright, fuck. We're about to get inside. We about signing off. But once again, we out here fucking grinding. Nobody grinding like us. There's not a YouTuber on the planet that's grinding like us. Oh, today has been just some day. Someday has been.
Sweating, bro.
Alright. So do you when you want to sign it off.
This is Ghost A signing off.